Welcome to AnnMitra, the platform that's making the campus food redistribution smarter, faster, and more impactful. Today I'll show you how exactly food gets listed by a canteen owner and then how an NGO can step in and claim it all in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. This is our landing page. AnnMitra is built on a modern Next.js frontend with TypeScript and Tailwind CSS for a clean, responsive design. The numbers you are seeing here are coming directly from Supabase database in real time. Now let's go to login. AnnMitra uses Clerk authentication for secure role-based access. Since I'm logging as a canteen owner, I can see my previous listings and all the successful pickups made so far. The dashboard gives a complete snapshot of our project. So here you can see all our recent activities and all the previous food listings, total listings, active listings, total pickups, and the completed pickups. You can explore our other parts like browse food, all the pickups that we have made so far with this restaurant or you can say canteen owner. And in the map also, um, all the listings that are still live, it can be easily seen. We are using Leaflet Open Map API for this map feature. Now let's just move to create a new list. Let's call it idli. This is how long the food will be saved from for consume from now. Let's say 3 days and 4 hours. Quantity is 70, I guess. And for this, you can either select use your current location for the pickup, or you can just pinpoint on the map whatever your location is. And then just select the food image and then click on create listing. And the listing has been created and you can see the notification of created successfully the listing. It is being done from the Firebase cloud messaging features. Now let's go out as the canteen owner and log in as an NGO partner. We have separate dashboard for all the individual type of users. So from this user, we can see the idli that we have just listed from the canteen owner. And with this also, we can check if it is available on the map or not. Yeah. So here it is there. And also, so let's claim this. And we can see the notification of food claimed successfully. And once it's been confirmed from the canteen owner, it will be removed from this browse food section. And that's how AnnMitra makes surplus food redistribution simple, transparent, and efficient. From secure authentication to real-time notification to location intelligence, everything is designed to reduce waste and empower communities. There is also one feature that we are working on that can be accessed from this endpoint surplus, where we are allowing the canteen owner or restaurant owner to upload the 1 month transaction that our platform will analyze and suggest the owners canteen owners that how much of which food they should prepare on which specific day or time. You can explore this. We are working on it so that it can be more easy to understand for the canteen owners and can easily be implemented for their day-to-day life. Also, we have updated our product to allow to install the application on any device through progressive web app. With this, you can easily open the AnnMitra.Virtual.app and install like this, and it will be installed on your phone. And all the features that are available on the web are on this app as well, from notification to authentication to create listing to claiming it from the NGO or students perspective. It's all available on any device.